I'll walk you through a quick way to use the ANOVA application in Excel. So I'm just going to open up a current document and I am going to, let me move this cursor up so you can see all of my tool options. Up at the top, you will see the data option. So click on the data tab. On the data tab on the right hand side, now I've already downloaded the ANOVA add-on, but you go to data analysis, click on data analysis. Then you want to go up and I choose the ANOVA single factor. So I'm going to click on that, hit OK. Then I'm going to look at my data ranges and I'm going to include my heading there so when I have my report that it includes that. So you'll want to make sure that you include the labels that are in the first row so you can identify that. The alpha range is 0.05 and then you simply click OK. It will bring up a separate page here and this has all of your ANOVA information that you would need to have for your p-values and your f-values and your critical values to make a decision whether to reject or fail to reject your null. So I hope that is helpful and I will talk to you soon.